You can upload a custom sound as Soundboard. This tutorial river will guide you how to upload Soundboard to Discord. So first of all, open the server and click on the server name and click on server settings. Here you will get the Soundboard option, so click on that and click on upload sound. Click on browse and now select the sound you want to add and remember one thing, your file should be mp3 and 512 kilobyte maximum and up to 5 seconds. So I'm going to cropping the song here and selecting only 0.73 seconds, and now enter here the sound name. You can add a related emoji here. Then all you have to need, click on upload and your sound will be uploaded in Soundboard. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.